What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today I'm reviewing the Zenowell, which comes in this really nice carrying case. I'm grateful for that. I've gotten different health tech before that doesn't have a carrying case. On one side you have the charging cord, on another side you have the lubricant, which I am not going to use because it literally doesn't say what it is. I'll probably just throw this away actually after this video. Because basically you need a lubricant, some sort of lubricant for the device itself. So let me show you the device. So the device looks like this. It is a digital screen with a minus plus and play button. The power button is on the side here, so you just hold that button, it turns on. And what this does is it stimulates your vagus nerve. Now what's really important to keep in mind here is that your vagus nerve runs from your brainstem all the way down to your gut, and it controls everything from brain function to cardiovascular function to gut health and gut function as well. Now, basically how this device works is it has a earbud, and that earbud is creating an electrical signal that goes in your ear. So this goes in the middle, and then this round part goes in there, and I'll show you that in a minute. But first, what you have to do is you have to, and I'll share with you my experience as well, obviously this is a review, you have to spray it. So I just sprayed it a few times like that, and that basically creates more of a conductivity so that this can be utilized properly. So you put it in your ear, and then you want to ensure that this is facing forward. So it's going to go under that ear flap, and the other part's going to go down. And then there are different settings. So you have the sleep mode, you have the meditation mode, or medit, but stands for meditation. And then you have the rest mode, or excuse me, relax. So you can see 0, that is the level, and then the time, 20. They all are 20-minute sessions. And basically you just hit, when you're ready to go, you hit play, and you can go at any level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like right now it's at 5. The camera's backwards, so you're gonna see it flipped on the other side. And I'm gonna start to feel it basically goes every 2 or 3 seconds. So it kind of reverberates and then turns off, reverberates and turns off. And you'll know if you feel it, if you feel like almost like, it kind of sounds weird, but almost like a bee or something is kind of like buzzing in your ear. I'm actually not feeling it right now, so there we go. You have to move. So the thing that's a little bit difficult is this top flap, not flap, but little circular thing, that has to go into your eardrum, not eardrum, but this top part, which is what's connected to the vagus nerve. So once I get it in there properly, I can feel it. So now I can feel it a little bit more. And I'm gonna be honest, this is the biggest downside of this product, is sometimes, and right now I'm having a hard time, getting it in there. And it's difficult to get in there sometimes. So anyways, once you do get it in there, that should be under that part of your ear, and you'll feel that in there. And once again, you can switch modes, sleep, meditation, relax. I like the meditation mode, and then I like the sleep mode before sleep, obviously. But let me give you a little backstory on the Zenowell Vagus Massage company. So first and foremost, it's a German company, which I like because, well, Germans are really great at engineering. I have other German health tech that is absolutely fantastic, and it works very well. So this works as well. It's been consistent. And you know what? I think I didn't spray enough water on this. So one thing you should know also when you use this, you want to spray water on this top part, not just here. The top part is really where you feel it the most. So you want to actually get it from a couple different angles. Now that should work a bit better. Let's try that. So like continuing. Oh wow, yeah, I can feel it now. It almost zaps you if it's too high. Honestly, 5 is like the highest level. Like, this thing can go up to like 15 or something. 5, 6, 7. Like right now I'm on 7. You could feel it. So once you do get it set up right, you could feel it, and then you just kind of let it sit, and then it does its thing. So there's different research that this company has done. So like I said, your vagus nerve runs from your brainstem down through your cardiovascular system, down through your gut. And the research behind the Zenowell shows a 61% increase in vagus nerve activity, as well as improved heart rate variability, HRV, which is essentially the rhythm or the cadence of your heart, especially under stress. So the healthier your heart rate variability, the more improved your heart rate variability is, the better your heart will respond and adapt under stress. So that's the first big benefit, 61% improvement in vagus nerve activity. That's absolutely monumental, that's huge. The next benefit is a 40% improvement in fatigue, brain fog, depression, and believe it or not, symptoms of long COVID. So if you have long COVID symptoms, smell or taste or any senses are off, this may stimulate your vagus nerve and help get those things back and reduce those long COVID symptoms. And last but not least, the third biggest benefit is it reduces inflammation by, believe it or not, 78%. So 78% inflammation reduction. So this is where, for example, pain mitigation and things like that come in handy, because if you're suffering from ongoing pain, your vagus nerve can signal to reduce inflammation, which can reduce your pain. So pain, depression, inflammation, brain fog, cardiovascular health, gut health, brain health, all of the things, anything from health up here to health here to health here, which are, by the way, the three most mitochondrially dense centers in your body, the Zenowell device helps with. So what I like about this device, it's very small, it's very portable, I travel with it, the carrying case is super handy, it just fits right in there like such, with the earpiece of course. And then what I like about it also is it's something that you don't really have to think about. I can stimulate my vagus nerve and benefit all these aspects of my health while watching a TV show or movie or a podcast or something like that. And it's just, I actually like it. So initially when I started using this device, I was kind of like, whoa, that's weird. It creates this buzzing sensation in your ear, and it's a little bit, I don't know, like strange. Like it feels like a bee or something is in your ear. And then as I did it more and more and more, I realized, wow, this is actually incredibly relaxing and soothing. And I kind of crave that little buzz. Whereas initially it felt almost like an irritant, but now it's like literally what it says when you turn on the screen. It says articular massage. It's massaging your vagus nerve through your ear. And what I like about it is when I use it, I just feel this sense of calm and I feel very peaceful. And I can tell that it is regulating. By the way, the research shows that it regulates your autonomic and your central nervous system. So this is connected to your obviously your vagus nerve, but then also your heart rate, your brain health, your depression symptoms, your inflammation, your brain fog, things like that. So if you're looking to have something, if you have pain, depression, anxiety, stress, or inflammation, or any of these things that are consistently ongoing, and you're looking for something that is a simple solution that you can just put in your ear and do at home on the couch, it's very helpful. So like I said, they're 20-minute sessions. Once it ends, and you can switch the session, so you can actually change the mode. So I just changed the mode to relax, for example. It starts at 0, I turn it up to like whatever number I want to, and then the timer just automatically starts. And you can turn it down or up while you're doing it, and it's very easy, it's very simple. So I really like this device, and there's actually a discount code below. It's Healthy Well Free. So check out the link below to visit and read about the research on their site. So they show all the research, they show charts and graphs and things like that. So you can get all the research for vagus nerve and all the other things I shared in this video, along with more information on the technology and how it works, as well as a discount code. So check out the link in the description below in the comment section and the discount code. Also, if you're looking for health and wellness products that are high quality that I have personally vetted, I've vetted more than 30 different health and wellness brands now. Everything from supplements, superfoods, red lights, vibration plates, rebounders, barefoot minimalist shoes, water filtration technology, other technology that helps your brain health and cardiovascular health and heart health and gut health and so much more. Check out the link below or visit healthywildfree.com/shop. That link will take you to a page where you can get more than 20 different brands, access these brands and discount codes. These are brands, like I said, that I've personally vetted that are super high quality. So if you're looking for higher quality health products, check out that link below for special deals and discounts and to learn and discover new brands. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and leave your comments below, and have a great day. Bye.